Both galleries, which belong to the largest of Greece, have the usual shape we find in Western Greece, with walls at the end of the facade. While only the lower parts and the columns were made of stone, the upper was built with mud bricks. They had 2 rows of Doric columns with no rooms further inside. There also were differences between them. The East Gallery, 173 by 13.5 meters, had a podium in front and 2 ports on the rear wall. It was rebuilt after the destruction of 218 before Christ, shorter, with a stone bench along the walls and tables in the corners. In these constructions, the stone slabs of triglyphs and metopes were used as props. After the rebuilding, it seems that the East Gallery was used just for the visitors to stay or for other functions of the principles of the Confederation.